Hello, everyone. My name is Vitali, and I'm Engineering Director of Arrow. Really excited to be here. We are all electronic and technology companies, but these clickers and sounds are always the problem, right? So I want to talk about how Arrow can contribute into LoRa community today, how Arrow can help to the manufacturers of LoRa devices. And I will start with the statement that Arrow no longer is the distributor, just a distributor, a company who is solving a single problem, delivering components from one place to another. We still do it very efficiently, by the way, but we have a strategy to work with the customers at any point, at any stage of the life of electronic component, from the idea till the end of life, till the obsolescence. And this strategy is very successful, I can admit. So it brought us to the leadership position in distribution world, to the position where 200,000 customers really trust to us and work with us. To do that, we created a lot of expertise in-house, and also we acquired more than 130 customers along the history of Arrow. And I will talk quickly about 3 companies which potentially maybe you didn't know or haven't heard before, and we'll touch a bit how they contribute and help as well. So the first company is InfoChips. It's a very big engineering company who significantly increased our design capabilities. For those who was here a year ago, we already presented this engineering capability company during the Things Industries conference. The second company, I would admit, is the Silicon Expert. So this is the company who owns the biggest database of electronic components worldwide. They own it, they maintain it, and maybe you heard a couple of weeks ago, Altium started to use their database into their designs and into their software. So for the company who wants to get the most reliable data about electronic components and also build the automated BOM management process, this company can help, or Arrow can help. And the third company, which I want to touch quickly, this is AspenCore. So AspenCore, they own a lot of digital assets. They own a lot of web pages, magazines, even well-known like E-Times, for example. So they bring to us a lot of industry insights. They bring to us a lot of industry knowledge, but also they're a very strong marketing engine. So a lot of companies using their marketing capabilities to show their products worldwide. So I'm from engineering, and I want to touch a couple of main activities which we are doing in the engineering space. First of all, it's consultancy. So when you're building an electronic device, you always need additional knowledge, you always need additional expertise, and we know that also there is a shift of the engineers right now. There's way less analog engineers and way more digital engineers or software designers. So we are trying to close this gap. So we have analog and power engineers who can consult how to build proper signal chain, how to optimize power consumption of the device. They can do simulations and so on. We're also consulting a lot in the software area, especially in the firmware for ARM-based solutions, and also how to deploy AI on edge. In case we don't have our own expertise, we use our partners. And today we have TE Electronics on our booth. They are undisputed leader in connectivity, in connectors and antennas. So they have all capabilities and tools to improve any type of RF connectivity, any type of wireless design. And basically yesterday there were a lot of discussions, interesting discussions with customers who were passing by our stand and saying, okay, I know TE is a connector company, but never heard about that they're so strong in antennas and can help me. Proof of concepts, it's also very interesting. So we know that semiconductor manufacturers generating thousands of NPIs, thousands of new parts to the market every year. And we are doing a lot of proof of concepts to show how particular technology can help customer to get particular benefits in their designs. So, and last but not least, it's R&D service. I've already touched the InfoChips company. So if customer wants to have built from scratch device, industrialized, certified, we can help with that as well. If we are talking about the LoRa expertise, just quickly we'll touch a couple of latest developments. So starting from POC or demo, so yesterday you potentially heard about new LoRa module from ST, so low power solution, which was announced yesterday, but specifically for this Things Industries conference, we built a demo. It's street lighting demo, which consists of this module, layered gateway, and connectivity of the Things network. So if somebody wants to try both hardware and software solution, you're welcome to our booth. There you will see also the asset tracking demo based on the SOC from ST. If we are talking about the industrialized design, which has a lot of deployments, so one of the latest one is the worker safety solution, which have several interesting functions like very precise indoor location, which shows if the worker can go into the no-go areas and sends alert. So it's also have collision detection, which shows when the worker is fallen or some other collisions appeared. And it also collects the information about the health conditions of the worker. So what I want to say, we are not new to the LoRa community, so we do a lot of projects with the customers. And also what I want to admit, there's also, I think, a very strong message towards the customer. Our business model is still to deliver components, to sell components. Means we are super happy to walk through all steps of the design with the customer till the mass production. So mass production for us means it's a successful project at the customer. Means it's a possibility to have successful collaboration on the components in the future. So it's a strong message, I think. So we want our customers be successful, and we help them to be successful. So now I will provide a couple of announcements which are related to these events. So first announcement is that we are signing the reseller agreement with the Things Industries this month. So this will immediately simplify the procurement process of the companies who are buying full solution, who are working with the full solution. But also what I expect, we will create a bundled offers, so which will definitely save a cost for the customer when they go and buy both hardware and software. The second announcement, that we recently signed the distribution agreement in Europe with a leader in this industry, Semtech. So we have very long-standing relations with Semtech in US, but now we are happy to present their products here in Europe as well. Again, this is addition to our line card of the components which are related to LoRa. And thus, both announcements is really completing our strong offer and comprehensive offer to the companies who are designing LoRa-based solutions. So it starts with the line card. So you see we have chipsets, connectivity chipsets, modules, microcontrollers, antennas, batteries, sensors, basically everything what is needed to customer to build the device. We augment this with the Things Industries connectivity offer, and we also bundle this with our service offer to make customers' life easier and to help them with the design. We know and collect a lot of insights, as I said, so through our digital assets. And we know that electronic industry will grow, and electronic component industry will grow 5 to 7% CAGR over the next decade. So 5 to 7% CAGR. But we also defined 4 megatrends which will grow way faster. So they will grow with the magnitude 2 or 3, means CAGR 15 to 30%. And those megatrends you see here. So those are electrification of everything. It's basically widespread adoption of the electric energy from the cars into the industrialized processes. Smart everything is usage of data and connectivity to make our lives more convenient, safer, and IoT is part of this megatrend. Energy management is optimization of usage of energy basically everywhere. And autonomous machines from self-driven cars to the drones to the robots. So those machines are disrupting technology, disrupting industries right now. What is very remarkable here, and what we can admit, that I think the first time in the history, those megatrends are very European-centric. So they're born here, and we can benefit out of them here. So because if you remember previous megatrends, which are like data centers, for example, or consumer devices, they were basically touching Europe only, but were not driven from Europe. And I think it's a very good areas where to focus and very positive message to the European customers and European companies. We as Aero, we're really focusing on those megatrends right now, and we are investing in that heavily. And basically with that, I want to conclude my presentation, and again, to summarize and say that Aero Electronics is the company which helps customers through the whole life cycle of electronic device. So from the idea till the obsolescence or end of life. Our line card of products and services is really delivering a lot of benefits to the customers of any size and any type. And we are super happy to be a part of LoRa ecosystem. We came here prepared. We are happy to contribute. With that, thank you very much. And I let you to enjoy the event. Thank you.